Di ba kapag nakabasa kayo ng mga ads, nakita nyo na interesting yung photo, pero binakapan siya ng magandang caption, biglang napapabili kayo? That's what copywriting is for. Have you ever experienced na kahit walang kakwenta-kwenta yung meme or yung video na napanood nyo about something, simpleng-simple lang na time-lapse, ganyan. Pero pagtingin nyo dun sa yung overlay text ng video, very convincing, very powerful yung words na ginamit. Doon kayo napapaisip na, oh shit, kahit walang sense yung video, pero pag nilagyan mo ng text na sobrang may impact, sobrang nagre-resonate kayo as the audience, mag-a-agree kayo, mako-convert kayo, and at some point mapapabili kayo. That's what copywriting is for. I have seen so many mentors, coaches here on TikTok offering copywriting, pero hindi ganun ka-impactful. And at some point, nakita ko pa, merong isang nag-offer ng copywriting course, pero yung mga students niya are supposed to recruit yung other people who would probably be interested in taking the class. And I was like, okay, kung magaling yung tinuturo mo na copywriting, hindi na dapat kailangan pang mag-recruit. Because if you are really good at copywriting, you should be able to convert your audience with just your words. That's what copywriting is for. So, tinatanong ni Easy dito, sabi niya, paano po yung copywriting? Isang copywriting is more of being able to use powerful words that convert. It's used in marketing because someone who's good at copywriting is able to convince other people kung ano nga ba yung gusto nilang gawin para mag-take action. Ganyan. Pero dahil nga merong mga nagpapauso ng copywriting at magaling sila, na-convince din nila yung ibang tao na copywriting is for everyone. And ako na nagsasabi sa inyo, it's not. Now, remember guys, there are different forms of creativity. May creative with numbers. May creative with in terms of assets, designs, and all. And then there are people who are creative with words. And yun yung mga tao na bagay sa copywriting. Pucha, kung kailan ako nag-film, saka talaga dumadating na Lazada, ang Shopee, 5:38 na talaga, nakakaloka. So anyway, going back. Is copywriting for everyone? No. Napapag-aralan ba ang copywriting? Yes. Pwede ka bang yumaman, mag-earn ng 6-7 digits? Totoo ba yung balita na pwede kang mag-earn ng ganong kalaki as a copywriter? Yes. Flexi-time ba ang copywriting? Yes. Non-voice ba siya? Semi. Because kailangan mo pa rin i-meet yung clients mo. Kailangan nyo pa rin mag-usap. Wala namang posisyon na freelancing na never kayo mag-uusap ng client mo. At some point, you really have to communicate with your client via phone call or meetings. Paano ngayon matuto ng copywriting? Now guys, there are a lot of free resources online. Pero if you want something that's live, meron tayong pilot class that will start tomorrow. 4 till 8 p.m. siya. $999. May 2 weeks kayo na internship. Pwede nyong gamitin yung output nyo sa internship, sa portfolio ninyo, and you can get started. If you guys want to enroll, click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, click nyo lang to. Facebook, check caption. Sa YouTube naman, i-check nyo na lang yung description box. You guys will be taken to this page. I-hover nyo lang pataas yan. Tapos makikita nyo na tong page na to. I-click nyo lang copywriting, $999. Nandiyan na lahat ng detalye. Again, this class is starting na tomorrow. So, Tuesday and Thursday, 4 till 8 p.m. yung class niya at pilot class na po siya starting tomorrow. 4 till 8 p.m. Ano pa ba hindi ko nasasagot? Guys, i-comment nyo na nga lang kung may question pa kayo about this class. But this is closing tonight at 12 midnight. Kaya kung interesado kayo matuto ng copywriting, mag-enroll na kayo. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from our work from home chismis, and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!